Cardamom is a highly aromatic spice known for its distinctive flavor and fragrance. It is commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine. Here are the nutritional facts about cardamom. Calories. 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, approximately 2 grams, contains around 6 calories. Carbohydrates. Cardamom is low in carbohydrates, providing about 1.5 grams per teaspoon. Fiber. Cardamom contains a small amount of dietary fiber, with 1 teaspoon providing around 0.5 grams. While not a significant source of fiber, every bit contributes to overall intake. Micronutrients. Cardamom is a source of several vitamins and minerals, including manganese and iron. Manganese is important for bone health and metabolism, while iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. Phytochemicals. Cardamom contains various phytochemical compounds, including volatile oils like cineol and terpenine. These compounds contribute to its flavor, fragrance, and potential health benefits. Health benefits of cardamom. Digestive health. Cardamom has been traditionally used to aid digestion. It may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas due to its carminative properties. Antioxidant properties. The volatile oils and other compounds in cardamom have antioxidant properties that help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Oral health. Cardamom's antimicrobial properties make it a popular ingredient in oral hygiene products. It may help fight bacteria in the mouth, promoting fresh breath and oral health. Respiratory health. The aromatic compounds in cardamom may have a soothing effect on the respiratory system and help alleviate symptoms of cough and congestion. Heart health. Some studies suggest that cardamom may have a positive impact on heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of cardamom may contribute to reducing inflammation in the body and supporting overall well-being. Culinary uses. Cardamom is used as a spice in both sweet and savory dishes, beverages, and desserts. Its unique flavor adds depth to various cuisines. It's important to note that while cardamom offers potential health benefits, individual responses can vary. Additionally, if you have specific health concerns or are considering using cardamom for medicinal purposes, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or herbalist before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen.